I'm sure for a lot of you, you guys know this tip already, but this does really help you save time and money. And it's a great way to have something easy and accessible to increase and boost that fiber or nutrients. Think sports days, days where you have lots of appointments or running around, okay? But basically what I do is I get a fresh bag of greens. This week it was kale. I make my first couple smoothies of the week with the fresh kale, and then I start freezing the rest. Or if it's something that we're using for like a salad or a meal, I will wait until we use it for that, and then I will freeze the rest. Or maybe if right before it's going bad, I'll freeze the rest. So I put it in the snack size baggies. It's a perfect single portion. Then I drop it in a gallon baggie and it goes straight into my freezer. Okay, I also do this with fruit as it's going bad. I know raspberries were on sale recently, so we had a bunch of those. So I did it before they went bad. Okay, super simple, awesome time saver. Throw it in a smoothie and call it a day. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time.